Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video I will be taking you to the Dona Paula Beach, which is a gorgeous beach. It is I can literally say it is not explored much because you don't find much of tourists on this beach, as it is mainly for localites and residents who live here. And I will also be taking you to the Dona Paula Jetty, showing you the sunset point, what it looks like at this point in time. And I will be taking you through the village, showing you the localites' houses, the living, and also I will be taking you to a place where we have local fishermen who do their regular fishing on a daily basis. So all of this coming up on this video, so stay tuned and watch this till the end. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also do hit on that notification bell icon to get notified every single time I make new videos. So let's get started. So this is the circle that you have to come to if you're coming from Panjim, and then head straight this way. So on your left hand side you will find a small police chowki, and then this is the road that takes you straight to the Dona Paula Jetty. And on the way here you have a lot of residential properties, and a few Airbnb also is available in this area. And you have a nice resort further. There are a couple of resorts that you can actually book in, and you also get to see some of the old Portuguese houses as well on this side. So this is the resort that I was talking about, which is on my right. So this overlooks the ocean, and this side is a small village where you have the local fishermen who live this side of town. So there's another nice resort this side. Okay, so and a little further is the parking. However, I would recommend that you come by two-wheeler because you can park right, and it's easier for you to get parking anywhere compared to a four-wheeler. Okay, so this is the main area. So let's quickly park and I'll show you around. So right from the parking here, you have your water sports counter that you can actually head to, and here they do have a lot of water sports. So for example, like a jet ski ride is about 400 rupees per person, and then you have family boat, which is around 2,000 rupees, parasailing at 1,500 per person, banana ride. They have all sorts of rides, as you can see here, with the prices mentioned. So you can head to this counter if you want to do some water sport activities. And let me just show you the view from this side. Wow, this is so beautiful. There is so many boats and jet skis. So let's go to the other side and see what it's like. So right opposite to the water sports counter, you have a restaurant that you can actually buy some food, and there's a bakery as well. So this is the parking. So let's head this side, and from this side, if you take this small little lane, you come across a lot of shopping that you can do for your clothes, your hats, and some souvenirs, and a lot of things that they actually have. So let me just show you that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So for all those of you who are interested in picking up some stuff, maybe as souvenirs, you can head this side as well. This lane looks so colorful with all the colors of clothes. Okay, so from here, if you actually head all the way there, that is the sunset point, but unfortunately, it is closed. Wow, how disappointing. Anyways, I just stay 2 minutes from here, so I will be making a video again once it opens up, just to show you guys what it's like. But if you're coming here at this point in time, then, you know, refrain, because you can't actually go there till the end. But still, it's so gorgeous. So they're constructing this bridge kind of a thing here. Okay, so let me show you the view this side. So once this is done, you can actually take a walk right until there, and then, you know, you can move all the way till that last as well. The view here normally is gorgeous from here. Okay, so let's go. All right, so this is the road that we normally take to go and just relax by the shore. This, you don't normally find tourists coming this side, but you know, it's only for locals. So all of the fishermen from this area live here. So the road and the lanes here are pretty narrow, and which is why, like I said earlier, you know, it's nice to actually come by bike. Yeah, so let's get on and see. Okay, so just 2 minutes from there, and then you come here, and you can actually interact with the local fishermen here. Wow. And sometimes if you actually come early morning, or maybe this time during the evenings, you can actually see them catching fish as well. So this is another nice spot to actually sit and relax, you know, for all locals. And check out this view from here. Wow. This is simply mind-blowing. And one thing that I really, really love about this place is to see you know, all these houses and how lush green everything is. Okay, so let's get on the bike and go a little further. So you have a nice beach walk that you can take here as well. So I'll take you there. Wow, this is so beautiful. You can just come here, sit down and relax. And you can also take a walk on this entire shore here and go all the way till the end. So I'm gonna head down and show you guys what it looks like from down there. I mean, it was looking gorgeous and I couldn't really resist myself, so. So here you do not find any tourists whatsoever. So this is a beach mostly for locals, but for someone like us who live here, we obviously get to know, and we just stay 2 minutes from here. So this is the beach that we normally come to watch the sunset. Wow. And every single time we come here, I don't think I ever get fed up of, you know, this sort of a beauty that this beach has to offer. And this entire thing here is residential. And this beach has so many shells that are washed ashore. Different colors, and if you can see, the entire beach is covered with these shells, making it all the more prettier. Wow. Just check this out. This is so beautiful. I think we're just 5 people on this beach. 5, 6, 7. 7 of us on this beach. Wow. This beach is quite exotic, I must say, and this should be on your to-do list for all those of you who just want some quietness. Especially in North Goa, it's very difficult to find a beach that is this gorgeous and where there are no tourists. And check out the sun, it's almost setting and it looks so beautiful. So you can walk all the way until that very end there. Let me see if I can go and show you what it looks like from there. So the sun is almost sinking in and it is so beautiful, so calm and quiet. So I'll be taking you right until this end here. And of course, not forgetting to mention about the greenery that this place has. There's literally, besides I think 7 people, there's nobody else on this beach. And I've just spotted someone going snorkeling. And check out the sun literally shimmering on the water. Wow, this is so gorgeous. Okay, so you've got to be careful here to climb. Wow, and there's another getaway this side. We usually don't come until this end of the beach, but I am doing this today for the vlog's sake. Wow, this is so gorgeous. So beautiful. It's like a private beach. So do let me know what you think about this video, and feel free to comment, and I would love to know what you feel. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit that like button if you really enjoyed this video. Share this also with your friends and help my channel grow. And until we meet again in my next, bye for now.